how do you fix cold outreach? Number one, cold emails without context are an instant delete. Don't send them. Number two, use marketing insights to personalize it. Tap into personas, intent data, SAPs, and content engagement. Number three, lead with value-forward content. Share something that solves a real problem before you ask for the time. Number four, align with inbound triggers. If a buyer downloaded your resource or visited your site, use that signal to reach out. Number five, be patient. Not every buyer is ready now. Timing matters as much as the message. The Proven Sales Email Codex shows that by following these steps, personas, SAPs, the hunter's method, and workflows, you can increase qualified leads by 25% or better, conversion rates by 20% or better, inbound deals by 50% or better, and close rates by 30% or better. Cold outreach doesn't have to suck. With the right marketing support, it can become consultative, welcomed, and effective.